Welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 2005 BMW 545 6-speed manual. It has about 184,000 miles on it. It was very well maintained by the previous owner. We have stacks of receipts for thousands in maintenance. The body is clean all around. There is some curb rash on some of the wheels. Overall, very nice shape on the outside. On the interior, the dash is in nice shape. Steering wheel has some minor wear. Headliner is nice and no sag. Door cards are nice. There's wear on the outer bolster of the driver's seat. A little bit of color gone there. Passenger seat is in nice shape. The rest of the dash is in nice shape. Navigation works well, has hot heat, cold AC, parking sensors. iDrive all functions correctly. All the gauges work correctly. Steering wheel controls work correctly. Shifts through all the gears really nicely. Has great power from the big V8. All around a fantastic, well-sorted example for a very reasonable price. So there you have it, our 2005 BMW 545.